Take your mark.
This is hit 8 of event number 2. Swimming lane 1, Lola Zeus Gabriel of Aqua Gliders.
Clear the pool.
Swimming lane 2,
Side, side.
Alforte Kevin of Naga City Dragon. Swimming lane 3, Precones Serjan of Mayon Swim Club. Swimming lane 4, Puere John Andre of Mayon Swim Club. Swimming lane 5, Salvamante Adolf of Naga City Dragon. Swimming lane 6, Puertico Gian of Mayon Swim Club. Swimming lane 7, Alvaro Johan of PPSC. And swimming lane 8, Barzaga Noel Luis of Naga City Dragon. Good luck, swimmers. Swimmers for event number 4, hit 1, 2, and 3. Please be ready. Again, swimmers for event 4, hit 1, 2, and 3. Please be ready.